For me, there is nothing more exciting than discovering an area of opportunity. When I discovered that my left shoulder has less mobility than my right, it was a treat. I knew exactly what to work on to get better instead of trying to improve something that is already good enough. A lot of us have shoulder problems and a hard time trying to fix them. Even though the shoulders are complex, they are made from the same organic, adaptable materials as our other joints. Even with all its strengths and limitations, your shoulder has probably room for improvement. Here are 4 tests you can do to see if there are big areas of opportunities with your shoulders. I would suggest doing this test right now, then doing them again 6 months after today. Hold the stick parallel to the ground. See how far you can lift your arm without the stick twisting or bending the elbow. The ideal position is holding it straight up without arching your back. If you cannot reach very high, it means one or many of these muscles are tight. It is a good idea to record yourself from a side view to see your results and to measure your progress. Number 2, bench. Here's a test to see how tight your pecs are. On a gym bench, lay flat face up. Try to extend your arms down towards the floor. Record yourself to see if there's any difference between your left and right shoulders. To test your pec minors, just elevate your hands more towards your head, so you end up in a Y position view from above. If you don't have access to a gym bench, you can do this test by putting your hands behind your head and laying on the floor and trying to touch your elbows to the floor. 3. External rotations. To test your external rotations, follow these instructions. Place the camera in front of you. Sit on the floor or on a bench with one leg bent. Place your elbow on the knee. Pull your hand as far back as you can. Do that with both shoulders. A healthy mobile shoulder should go 15 to 45 degrees past vertical. To test the internal rotation, which is the main motion of the high elbow catch, lay on the floor on your side. The shoulder should be touching the floor at all times. Put your elbow at 90 degrees from your body and with a 90-degree bend. Now, try to touch the floor with your wrist by internally rotating your shoulder. We are trying to get to more than 45 degrees past vertical. Check if there are any differences from one arm to the other.